さん、別の動画でこんなこと言ってたんだけどさ、クラッシュコースって言ってたの覚えてる？
Oh yeah, of course I remember Saki.
このクラッシュコースってどういう意味？
A crash course is a fast, intensive, usually casual lesson on something.
何かについて短期間で集中的に学ぶって意味があるんだ。
Actually, each of our Janglish videos is a crash course on specific English expressions. All of our videos are incredibly short, but we try to cram a lot of helpful information into them.
確かにこのジャングリッシュのビデオもそうだね。短い動画の中に役立つ情報がたくさん詰め込まれてるもんね。Each Janglish video is a crash course.
Yeah, but you can get a crash course on anything. I mean, when I was in high school, I took a literature class, but I never read any of the books. Anyway, the day before a test, I would ask a friend to give me a quick crash course on what the book was about. They would summarize it for a few minutes, but that was enough information for me to do well on the test.
アランさん、本当に怠け者だったんだね。クラッシュコース。
Yeah, crash course. But unlike me in high school, you are not lazy. You are a hard worker. And remember that even though from all of our videos you're receiving information here and here, your goal is to get it here. So please study.
頑張ってくださいね。このジャングリッシュのビデオも活用して、そこにいるアランさんみたいに怠け者にならないように頑張ってください。
What?
何？言ってたことただ訳しただけですけど、何見てんの？